Hi guys, welcome back to Ingel-Art. Thank you for joining me here today. Let's just start. To all my new subscribers, welcome as well. Happy to have you here, okay? I mixed this green last night and I wanted a really pale color green, and the green was so dark. It was darker than this. And I was mixing in white and a bit of pearl white to see what the color would do. I even put a little bit of silver in there to see if I could tone down the brightness of it. And it did work. But by the time I finished lighting it all up, all my white was finished, okay? So I have to get that. Sometimes I'm very happy with a color because I like to custom mix my colors to match the rest. And sometimes I can just see, oh, that's going to be the color immediately. This one took me about an hour before I was happy with the paleness of it. It's almost like mint, but I didn't want it the brightness of the mint color, okay? So that's why I put in a little silver, so it can kind of get like a grayish undertone. Play with colors, guys. It's so much fun. If you're not sure about a good color combo, or if you're doubting yourself, or if you have like 3 colors and there should be another color there but you don't know which one, Google it. Google color palettes. I like to go for like gold. I just Google gold, blue, let's say pale green color palette, and it's gonna give you a lot of ideas which colors to go with them, okay? I hope you grabbed yourself something to drink. Grab a coffee. I noticed I was shaking when I was filling the cups. I had 2 coffees this morning, 2 strong ones. Let's put some pale color down first. Does it matter? Not exactly. Gets the paint moving. Klaar, Lulu. Okay. Alrighty. Love that metallic green next to the brown. Let's go. So. Be a hard one to get this, but I'm happy. Wow, that green and gold. Yeah, wait, see what let's move the ring. It's best to do this fast movement right after you poured it out, so that the weight of the paint was here and that moved fast. So I quickly moved the weight on that side. Oh my goodness, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna, let's see. Let me hold up. Fast. Wait, open it. Okay. There goes my cup, guys. Oh, what did I just do? I can cry. Okay, well, that wasn't really smart. I just lost half my cup. I want to center more here still. How could I, people? How could I? Okay, well, that just really happened. So, where are we moving this? Let's try, let's move it this way, okay? Oh my goodness. And I'm going fast again. Okay? Same colors, same cup. Less mixing. Same colors, people. Brown mixed way less. Okay. Go. Why? I don't know yet. Okay, now let's open that side up. Kind of love black lines in the center, but I'm not sure yet. So I'm taking all that paint on the table. Okay. Come on, just go one time. Okay. Okay, I need to remove stuff, guys. Composition is my last thing I worried about, okay? Let me put her down first, then I'm gonna look for composition. Wow. Yeah. From that side it kind of looks like this great waterfall, right? But I think I like her from this side better. I kind of love how that brown got muted by that pearlish, bluish, greenish color. Just a bit. I want to turn her. Oh my goodness, put gradual. I kind of like her from this side best. It still looks like a waterfall from this side as well. Like a slide. Okay. I'm still in doubt which way I like her best. You have seen her now from two sides. If you see the one you like best, let me know, okay? Which side. What I'm trying to show you is that by changing up the simple ring pour, you get amazing results, okay? I am loving the fast tilt. You know, the fast tilt just makes lines. Once again, play, quick, slow, change. Don't go for the same ring pour all the time. This was a ring pour, okay? And see what happens. So it's a ring pour with a question mark. Ring pour, where are you? But she's in there, right? You guys saw me. What do you think of the colors? Yeah, I'm in love. Thanks again for joining me here. Greetings and love from the Netherlands.